What's up? I'm on my way to a car. Yeah, on my way to the car meet. We're about to pick up my big cousin and going to the Battle of the Builds. Shout out to Kleen Edition. This is my first time going to like one of their meets. If these fucking people would go. What's up? Kleen Edition Battle of the Builds was dope as fuck. The other people there was pretty cool. Finally got to meet the homie, the president and shit like that. He's fucking cool. He looks so tired though, man. I think he was there from the fucking start.
Duh, nigga.
But had a great time. Even though people flaked on me. Sorry the video was like all over the place, but
so much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.